Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. Today in this video I am going to compare two products, that is Stay Quirky. Both the products are from Stay Quirky, their own brand. Okay, it is first product is this is Take It Off Gel Makeup Remover. Okay, and this is for 100 ml. Y'all can see it is like intact. I have not yet used it, not yet even tried it, so y'all can say this is the first impression for me. And this is their makeup remover balm. Okay, now you all will say ki Meghna, this is old launch, this is not at all new launch, then how you are comparing? Yes, that is why I am going to compare both the products, because you people seem to love my comparison video. So I thought of comparing these two products with you all, and I just want to get the best product to you, that like out of these two, which one is the most affordable and which one is the most effective product for you to go for, and that is why I am going to do it today. Okay, we'll first just talk about the packaging. The makeup remover balm comes in this kind of black cardboard packaging. You all can see it is this black cardboard packaging. On the bottom of the packaging, you all can see each and every details is given over here, the manufacturing, the expiry and all. I'll just brief you. This is for 30 grams, okay, and the manufacturing is October 2020 and the expiry is September 2023. So total you are getting 3 years of shelf life, and you product what you get is 30 grams and the MRP of the same is 349. This is the makeup remover balm. When you talk about the inside packaging, it comes in this kind of black bottle, small jar with a silver cap. Okay, you all can see. And each and every detail, the manufacturing, the expiry as well as the net content, everything is given on the cap, on the jar itself. So if you want to throw away, you can easily throw it away. It is written on this. Okay, so this is what I am going to apply on my right hand side. Okay, on my right hand side, the makeup remover balm. And on the left hand side, I am going to review this. This is Stay Quirky gel makeup remover. The net content is 100 ml. It is written over here 100 ml, and the MRP and everything. MRP is given over here. It is 225 rupees. It is given over here 225. And the shelf life, it is manufacturing in March 20, and the shelf life, like total you can use it till February 22. So you can say almost for 3 years same. And the manufacturing and expiry is written on the crimp of this tube over here. It is written over here. So this is the gel makeup remover and this is the balm. Okay, nowadays you all must have seen lot of videos and lot of reviews about different balm. You do get in Clinique, but the Clinique one is too expensive. So I thought of, if this compares, of course I do not have the Clinique one, but I thought of comparing these two affordable products so that you can decide. And I forgot to tell you, I think the MRP of this is 225. I'm not sure whether I told you or no, but this is 225. Okay, and this is for 349. So if you compare, this is less expensive. It is not cheap, but less expensive, you can say affordable. This is little bit expensive. Okay, so now what we will do is, on my right hand side, this comes in this kind of packaging. Okay, this is the balm, white texture balm, and it comes with the cardboard packaging, but this doesn't come with any kind of cardboard packaging. It comes with this kind of tape. I'll just try to remove the tape. It comes with this kind of, no outer packaging, only this cellotape packaging or whatever you call. Okay, and it is this kind of tube. I'll show you the texture right now on the back of my hand. First I'll take the gel over here. I don't know how much the camera will capture. You all can see this is the gel and this is the balm. This is literally gel texture and this is obviously the balm texture. Okay, so this is the texture difference. Now what we will do, we will just apply on my right hand side. I will apply. See, I have taken this balm. What I'll do is I'll just rub it in my hand so that the product becomes a little bit warm, and then I'll apply it on my face, and then you will see my makeup coming off. they have actually not given you any kind of spatula or anything. They should have given a small spoon or something so that now we will start rubbing our face. Okay, so you can see they have not told you, I don't know, they have told you to how to use. No, because generally when you use the makeup remover balm, you just have to directly apply. You don't have to wet your face or anything. It is kind of a balm texture, that is why you directly have to apply it. And I am doing the same thing. Now I'll go on my eyes. I don't know whether it is going to give me a burning sensation or something. So this has removed. Of course, I'm not reviewing for the first time on my channel. It is first time, but you all must have seen lot of reviews of this product. I have applied the liner, non-waterproof mascara, because I never use waterproof mascara. You all can see this is the right hand side of the particular balm. Now I'll just close the balm, and what I'll do is I'll just wash my hand. I'll just clean my hand and I'll do it with I'll just take some tissue. I'll just wipe my hands and then I'll start with the other side. Then we will see whether it has removed or no the full face. Alright. I have almost cleaned my hands. You all can see nothing is there. It's shining just because of the balm. You all can see now nothing is there on my hand. Now I take the gel. I have taken right now this much of gel. This feels like aloe vera gel itself. Of course, it has a little bit of fragrance, but that fragrance is not like it will not give you any kind of headache or something. This is on my left hand side. I am using this gel. I have to take some balm to remove the lipstick. I want to check the lipstick. The lipstick which I have applied is Blue Heaven non-transfer lipstick. I'll mention the lipstick in the description box so that and now I'll go with the eye makeup. I have taken the balance amount on my eye. I want to see whether I feel any irritation. My eyes are getting a little bit irritated. See, now I have removed this side. I'll just take some balm. Actually, I forgot to remove my lipstick. I have started watering because my eyes are very sensitive. What I'll do is I'll just remove everything now. Now we are just removing this everything. You all can see. I have removed full makeup with this. Okay, now what we will do is we'll just take a plain tissue, okay, and we will check whether the makeup is still coming on the tissue or no. If it is coming, then definitely we may have to, in any case, whenever you remove any kind of makeup, you have to go for double cleansing. I'll just take out one tissue and I'll show you. See, now this is the total plain tissue. Okay, it's a paper towel, I know. It's total plain, nothing is there. So what I'll do is I'll just, see, this is plain, huh? Nothing is there. I'll just try on my right side. Right side we have used the balm, so we'll check up with that. Little bit of traces of makeup is coming, so definitely you have to double cleanse. In any case, double cleansing is a must. So this is the balm side. Now what I'll do is on this side I will check the gel side. So I just want to compare which one removes the makeup best. Even this also you can see little bit of traces of makeup. So this is the gel one and this is the balm one. So for me, both the products are equal. So if you want to compare the product, the content, the net content and everything, then you can do your math. This is 100 ml, this is 30 gram if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 30 gram and this is 100 ml. And if you talk about me, which product I like the most, I like this most. Why? Because my eyes are pretty sensitive and you all can see the water was like on the gel side, the water was coming out like anything, and that is why I had to pause the video. But if you talk about the balm side, I couldn't feel any kind of irritation or anything on my face, and this is right now my bare face. I have not applied anything on my face, even I have not applied even lipstick also, so please excuse me for that. So for me, if you ask me, I will suggest you can go for this balm one. It is little bit expensive, but it is 100% worth the money. And if you are like, if your eyes are sensitive like me, then definitely you all can go for the balm side. Even the gel one is not bad. So you can decide as for yourself, but for me, balm is the winner. Makeup remover balm is the winner. This is the second position. So I think I have covered each and everything in this video, but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely do leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have any other video request also to make, that also you can specify in the comment section. I'll read the comment and I'll try to revert to you as soon as possible. Alright, if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's it for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.